everyone has to be open. So where are you from?
Colombia.
Colombia. What's your favourite thing about Sorrento? Where we are today?
The architecture of the place.
The architecture.
I feel like I'm in a movie.
Oh, I like it. I feel like we're in a movie as well. So I bought all the merch there is possible from Sorrento. We got a hat, we got a bag, we got all the lemon stuff, and we got some fans. And we got Limoncello Spritz.
Yay.
And this is the square.
I don't want her to be.
Oh, that's a snazzy car and a half. Guys, we're in the middle of an island.
Okay, run.
Salute. Salute. Cheers. Cheers.
Slow-mo.
There are good ships, there are wood ships, there are ships that sail the sea, but the best ships are the friendships, may they always be.
Oh, will be too late. You got tomorrow will be too late.
Give it to me. That was a beautiful day in Sorrento. We've had the Limoncello Spritzes, so you absolutely need to have some if you come here. So if you do want to get up to the town from the port, you can either go straight on and then climb up the rail, and that's where the lift is. And how much is it per the lift?
€1 up, €1 down.
€1 up, €1 down. Easy peasy to remember. The lift is very claustrophobic and it's scary, so you may as well walk because it's not actually that bad a walk. Or you can walk behind this way. Or you can catch a shuttle bus. So there's multiple options. Thank you so much for watching. Please do comment, please do subscribe, please do like, because Sorrento is the place to be. Sorrento. So that is going to be our day over and out. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed Sorrento as much as we did. And here, let me end on B-roll with all the beautiful views of Sorrento. Ciao ciao for now.